Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we're going to see how to find simple interest using Python. So before going to video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So you must watch the video end because you couldn't understand if you miss a video in middle. So just watch till end. So let's get into video. So guys, here we're gonna write the program. So let's get into program. First of all, we want to know that what is the formula of simple interest. So I hope you all guys know that simple interest formula is PTR by 100. So let's write the program for finding that one. So we must want values of PTR, which means P represents principal amount, T equal to time and R equal to rate of interest. So let's give the values for as an input. So let's write the program. So I'm just gonna print that one. So print into inverted commas, enter the principal amount. Okay, and I'm gonna keep comma and end with end equal to 2 inverted commas. So let's go to next line, and we must give value of p as an input as an user. Okay, let's give input. So I'm using capital letter for p. Okay, p equal to, it's an integer, so I'm using int, and we are giving it as an input. Okay, input. Let's close this one, and we just go to now t, which means time. So let's print time, print in brackets to inverted commas, enter the time, and I'm gonna give comma for this one. Okay, comma and with end and equal to 2 inverted commas, and let's give input for t. T, okay, in caps lock and in capital letter, equal to, it's an integer, so int brackets input and another two brackets, it's close, and just press enter, and let's print r, which represents rate of. Okay, let's print that one, print into inverted commas, enter the rate, and I'm gonna give a comma for this one, comma for this one, and equal to two inverted commas. So it's completed. So here I forgot that I want to give the equal to, which represents the value for t. Okay, here you must give equal to. Okay, and just now go to q r as an input. Okay, in capital letter, r equal to int in brackets input and close the brackets, it's completed. And just we have to print the ptr by 100. Let's print that one also. Let's print, sorry, print simple interest. Okay, you must don't forget that to give this value in inverted commas because it's a constant value. Okay, simple interest is a constant, it doesn't change anywhere. Okay, simple interest, you must don't forget give equal to and give comma for this one, and n equal to two inverted commas. Now let's print the ptr by 100. So print brackets, don't forget you must use same letters. If you use here capital letters, if you print here small letters, it doesn't work because it should be same whether capital or smaller, they both should be same. So let's print that one. So the three are capital, so I'm using caps lock, and let's print p multiply by t multiply by r. So these three should be divided by 100. So let's divide by 100. So divide by 100. So our program is finished. See how smaller is this one. So let's run this program whether it works or not. So I'm gonna run this one. See, it's asking a principal amount, so I'm using just 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000. Enter the time 5. Enter the rate and use 2. Okay, and the value is simple interest is 100. If you have any doubt, just check in notebook whether it works or not. Just multiply 1000 into 5 into 2 by 100. Okay, this is our video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you all guys like this video. Please, if you have any doubt, comment in comment section. I'll give you reply confirmly. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.